do this very quickly because I gave a couple of minutes to our friendly Yaman rant, which was lovely. Do any of you use a form using software, some form creation software, like Google Forms? Anyone using Google Forms? Yes. LiberaForms? Does anyone know this? LiberaForms? No? Great, you're the perfect audience. LiberaForms. This is some form software that was developed by some friendly people back in like 2017, I think, maybe earlier. That was done in Barcelona mostly. Nowadays, the main developer lives in Mallorca, so it's like very close to my place where this all happened. What's nice about LiberaForms, besides the fact that it's free and open source software, it has an AGPL license, and it has newly end-to-end encryption. I'm not unbiased. I'm Evilham, by the way, so this is like the LiberaForms blog. I'm not totally unbiased, but I think the end-to-end encryption is pretty cool in there. I implemented it, so not totally unbiased. But it is pretty cool. I'll show you how LiberaForms looks like when it comes to the creation perspective. Also, hopefully, when it comes to the seeing the answers. So get your phones ready to scan a QR code. Let's see how this works. This is my options from the profile I already logged in. And I'm going to configure encryption again because I want to show you how deeply things have been taken into account. I'm going to just recreate the keys. So I'm going here to options, override my key pair. And I'm going to tell it, hey, generate them, please. It's going to tell me, hey, back up your keys. So I click here to copy them. It allows me to see it. I can show this to you because I don't care about this key, mostly because it's also on a development server. So I could see it, I could do things with it, I can copy it. Important, I have to paste it somewhere that is not here, because the software is actually smart enough that when I click here, yes, I backed it up. It's going to clear my clipboard. And now if I try to paste it, it's not there. So I wasn't lying, I did copy it somewhere, it's just somewhere temporary, that's fine. I paste it here again, it checks that it's fine, that it's the same key that I had. It tells me, hey, I know what I'm doing. Nobody else can help me recover this if I lose this key. I have backed it up, and I will lose it all. So I save it. Now let's go create a form. An end-to-end encrypted form. Hopefully this works out here. Plus, I should have checked how things work nowadays. New form, there is a button called new form. So let's call this foss-north. This is encrypted by default. We click save, use this address. Use this address if I click the button, yes. And this is roughly how it looks like. We can click on edit and say, hi, well, yeah, I'll give you my private key, why not? This is why it clears the thing afterwards. So I edit the fields now, and I can just add a few questions. Like, I don't like this, I don't want a short text, or maybe do it, yeah, sure. Let's just ask a multiple choice one here. Let's ask something very simple. Will you try this out? There's one option that's going to be yes. There's one option that's going to be no. And we close this. And this is roughly how it looks like. It has nicer options, like there are some text that we could add. We could tell it like this is an email. And if we do this, the person that fills the email, they will have the option to receive like an edit link. This is very useful when people change their minds about things. So they don't have to be pestering you like, hey, actually, I'm not coming that day or whatever. They just get a link to the email, which enables them to edit answers on their own. I'm going to make all of this optional, so do whatever you want with this. I'm going to save this. What else can we do here? We can have a privacy statement, thank you message, whatever. You will explore this when you have the time. I will make this public, and I will find the option for the QR code. Oh, yes. Let's do this here. Yeah, that's the QR code. Go ahead, quickly. So whoever wants can answer the form. I see one phone up. Yeah, good. That should be good. I'll show you what the blog post says. Like, we documented the whole process because this was done with an NLNet grant. It was actually quite fun to do. NLNet is really good to work with. And this is what the database sees. So usually, can you read that? Yeah, probably. Usually what you would see here in data will be the actual fields of the answer, right? So you would see the name of the field and you will see the data. In here we only see A2EE answer, and we see some base 64 encrypted, well, encoded, sorry, misspoke. Base 64 encoded data, which is binary, and can only be decrypted with the private key, which I just published to you on the forum. So if you want to try it, go ahead. This is done with Open PGP.js, something like that. I forgot the name of the library. It's all documented. So go ahead. That's why I have an external frame called documentation. And yes, let's see the answers. So we have 11 answers. Nice, more than I expected. It says yes, no. Okay, great. I did not specify that it was not basic. Thanks. The short text, a bunch of things, great. Some emails, lovely. What about a nicer way to see this? Okay, nice. I can explore this. I can even mark this. Okay, cool. How about some graphs? Nice. This is how this evolved. That was good. Nice. A lot of people will try this out. I hope that's true. And now let's export this as PDF because that's what people use. Or CSV, whatever. All right. Sure. Can we open this? Yes. Here we go. Now we have a PDF with our answers. So yeah, LiberaForms is pretty cool. There is an open instance called on the LiberaForms.org. You will find all the information. It's also fully documented. You can deploy it yourself. There is some friendly lawyer called Neil Brown. He's like on Mastodon and all that. You can follow him. And he has tried this, and he's very happy because now his servers do not have the data of his customers. He's a lawyer, remember? So he's like important stuff there. And yeah, that's LiberaForms.